So in this subtask of the rock paper scissors project, we are going to be determining who's the winner. That is based on the user input and the computer input. We're going to determine who wins, that is which particular option given by the user defeats the option given by the computer. So there are three scenarios in this particular case. That is when both of the players, that is the user and computer, give the same option, it will be a tie. And if user gives an option which can defeat the computer option, then user will win. And obviously if the computer gives an option which can defeat the user option, computer will win. So for each scenario, the function should output three different things. That is whether it's a tie, whether user won or computer won. And then here we'll be updating the global variables which we initialized in the previous subtask over here. So in the code, if we continue, we have exact same as our previous subtasks. Now for the code for this particular subtask, the part which you have changed, that is, we have our determine winner function which is going to return a string, and we're going to take user choice and computer choice string as an input for this function. And first and foremost, we're going to define the tie condition, that is when user choice is equal to computer choice. So we have if user choice equals computer choice, then simply we're going to return it's a tie. And over here, instead of defining each case for when user wins and each case for when computer wins, we can simply define each case when user or computer wins, and the other one left we can simply write it off as else. So you can see over here we have defined when user wins, that is if user choice equals rock and computer choice equals scissors and so on. So over here user wins over the computer. Then we're going to increase the user score by 1, and then we're going to return congratulations, you win this round. Now instead of defining all of these conditions again for computer, we're simply going to give else. So else computer score plus plus, because the only other case then tie and user winning is when computer wins. And then we're going to return computer wins this round. Coming to the main function, everything is pretty much the same, but over here we have called the determine winner function, and we're going to store that result in the result variable, and then we're going to print out the result. Now let's just run this code once. So let me give rock. So you can see computer has won this round because paper defeats rock. So let's just submit this code once. So you can see we have passed all three test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.